What's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Stellar XLM. My friends, in this video, we talk about the Stellar XLM that when will XLM going to hit $1 USD. As you know, my friends, the month has ended and now from tomorrow the next new month starts. So we discussed that can XLM hit a $1 USD in the next month or not. On the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, we decide. Keep watching this video till the end and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, let's start the video. My friends, if we look the latest price of the Stellar XLM in the market, so you can see here that 0.37186 USD. That is the latest price of XLM. On the other side, if we look the price change over in the XLM, so as you can see here, last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is also negative. Only the last 1 day pricing is positive, except after the last 1 day the previous hours pricing is going negative. So I'm very worrying about that what's going on in the XLM. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, if you look the currently condition, so as you can see here that the currently condition is going beta of XLM. So how they can hit a $1 friends? Now my friends, I think that they can hit a $1. That's not a big target for XLM. You can see here in the last 1 month the prices goes to 0.78, only 0.30 needed for $1 friends. So what do you think? Can they cover $30 in the next month or not? I think that they can easily hit a $1 in the next month. That is my personal prediction and that is my personal opinion about Stellar XLM, my friends. And I believe that XLM will take a huge pump in the start of June. What do you think, my friends? My personal prediction about XLM is that. And how do you feel today about XLM? Please tell me in the comment box. So my personal prediction is that they can hit a $1 in June. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.